Gurugram recently. We get you more in this report.
Come to India's biggest yoga and wellness festival, celebrating the amalgamation of yoga, meditation, health and wellness that will rejuvenate the mind, body and spirit. Let's find out more from the expert.
Aerial yoga is basically a hybrid yoga, you can call it, because it incorporates traditional yoga postures with Pilates, with certain dance moves, and make it like really interesting. Also, something very interesting about aerial yoga is because it is done with the help of a hammock, so you can even try the postures which you cannot otherwise try it on the mat. It has helped me tremendously because the biggest benefits of aerial yoga is it really tones up your muscle and it strengthens your core because you function entirely from your core. So it really strengthens your core. It is extremely good for your lower back and extremely good for building strength in your arms.
Acro yoga involves the power of acrobatics and has a wisdom of yoga and it compassion of healing arts. I would say it's a very beautiful fusion. It also involves some yogic postures, some acrobatic drills, and it's a very creative form. So it just started from very basic postures. We call it bird, but now it has evolved. People try their own creativity, and basically they're having fun. So there are some postures coming from circus art, but you create it on your own. But this is the basic terms what I can explain acro yoga.
I taught Kundalini yoga at 2 o'clock. And Kundalini yoga is known as the yoga of awareness. Kundalini is a dormant energy that's lying at the base of your spine. And when we awaken that energy, which is a female cosmic energy of creativity, all our chakras open and we actually get connected to the source. The benefits of Kundalini yoga, it combines breath work, kriyas, mudras, meditation, and basically raises our vibration so that we are in tune with all the positivity that the cosmos has available to you, and it just makes you feel centered, less anxious. It's healthy for you, and the breath cleanses you, and your mind and your heart and your soul. I've been practicing for about 10 years, and I've been a yoga teacher for about 5 years, and I love it.
I represented India globally at the United Nations in New York, and that was amazing. We were really talking about a global movement of being fit and being healthy. Today's session was actually the movements in the spine, the 7 movements in the spine, and how you can stay fit and healthy, working the spine in all 7 directions.
Now it's time for us to roll on the yoga mat. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. With camera support, Alok and Srinivas, this is Sachi Soni for DD News.
Well, moving on, Ahmed Habab comes across as any Indian playing in the Khelo India University Games in Odisha.